Okay, installing a command access latch retraction on a Jackson 1295, and I don't think their pictures and the instructions show it well enough. As far as these two screws right here, they need to be in the second hole back from the front, where you took the dogging assembly out, so not the first hole, second hole. There's a third hole, not in there. The other thing is you want to make sure whenever you're doing this that you get this nice and taut first. That way this doesn't move, and then you're able to pull the cable nice and tight back here, and this goes in the back of the device. I think the big thing is just getting that right there and securing this over the top, the front. Just secure it over there, just like that. Get some good pictures for you guys. Those are up top, serial numbers, the screw sets in. This magnet right here is actually what tells it over that encoder right here whenever it's in the down position.